Good morning, Tom. Let's go to class.
Open your English books.
Let's skip class later. You're no fun. Class is over. No one will see me.
Perfect.
Someone's watch is missing. Please open your bags. The watch is here.
I didn't take it. Please believe me.
Tom took the watch.
I don't know anything.
Come here, Tom.
I'm telling the truth. Nobody believes me. I don't want to stay here. I'm going away. Where should I go? I'm so sad. I miss Mom and Dad. I didn't do it.
I feel so alone.
What should I do now? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Where is Tom? We found the watch in Tom's bag. Tom would never steal.
Please check the CCTV. CCTV. Let's see what happened.
Look! It's Jack!
Tom is innocent.
I'm so sorry.
We'll find Tom. Tom! Where are you?
Tom, I found you. Everything is okay now. I was so scared.
We're here for you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Welcome back, Tom.
I'm sorry, Tom.
Always choose honest friends and tell the truth.